Hi guys, so today I'll be doing crochet FAUX locks. I was sent 6 packs of the locks, and I think it was about 12 locks that came in each pack. They have a little loop at the top. Sometimes you need to stretch it out, so it can fit onto the crochet hook. My braiding pattern for the front was like 2 or 3 boxes, and I connected them, and then I connected it into the cornrows in the back. This was like the easiest style ever. The hardest part was just like the breakdown at the beginning. The crocheting literally took me like 30 to 45 minutes. The front took me no time, but the back I kind of couldn't see what was going on because it was just me. So I used a mirror, to see what was going on back there and to feel my way around. But I'm just going to do this to the rest of the front of my hair, and I will come back and talk with you guys in a little bit.